Well, today, let me overtly declare that Olu D is my God. Every leader whatsoever has his time. And so, you don't criticize his times. What is important is that success is achieved at the end of the day. Today, I am fully and completely associated with this success. Because in so far, at the moment, I directed whatever happened in the two occasions. And what we got was success. I'm here to again congratulate His Excellency Olu Akpata. So whatever history is told, it is all history now. The person we have is Olu Akpata. High spirits. And it is my conviction that this chairman standing here, Olu Akpata's success will confirm his crown. As a man who delivered a governor for Labour Party. Because that would be a permanent history in the life of Labour Party. I say this because we have the broken histories. Today, I remain the first chairman ever that produces a candidate for Labour Party. Comrade Adam was shamelessly attempted, but he fizzled away. He was not sure that he could make his aspiration on a platform, and therefore he abandoned it. And so we come up to say that platform will never be abandoned. We became extremely resilient. We kept it running until Olu Akpata came. And today, it will not leave the book of history that I stand as the chairman of Labour Party who has ever in history produced a candidate that will drive the process of governorship in those states. I can assure you that it's not my tendency to end there. It is the tendency to take him to the government house. If God permits our lives, Osadebe Avenue will not be the end of our journey. We intend to take over the administration and the reins of governance in Nigeria. Therefore, today I congratulate everyone that is present here. Members of the Labour Party, the region families, leaders who strenuously work to ensure today is realized. I am indeed very grateful to you. We are in the second level of what we want to do. It's not sufficient to pass a primary. But what is important is that we take it forward to ensure the ultimate conclusion of aspiration, becoming the governor of Edo State. Today's celebration of the successful outing of our primaries, I want to say that we may limit much of the talks, and it is in this respect I urgently directed the State Working Committee to ensure that we obtain an emergency meeting at 3 o'clock tomorrow. And forward moving of what we have in our hands. And we allow you to continue to marry now for the success we have achieved so far. Sing it, please.
They want to.
I thank you all. Labour Party! You don't show. Men mount. Their face show. You dey come home. Tell somebody to tell somebody to tell somebody. You dey come. They go hear what go. Hey, it was said they know. It was said that they follow green. People know until you know. It was said they know. They will stop her. But they don't know. They go hear me. Area. This year, last year, since they born me, I not agree for anybody. I think we don't see the patois. How many they talk about? 316. To how many? Our blood they pay. Our blood they pay. And our God does. With you all working very hard. People are hard here.
share.
That's your own way.
This one, when woman don't do this, they call it a man. A man are here. Amen. A round of applause for this woman. You know, it's you. So,
sorry.
We thank God.
Thank you.
We thank all of you now. Of your southwest, you are there, sir. You know that's my ancestral home. Of your northeast. It's a good day, yo. Hey. What do you want? Those are my mother's people. See my mama chairman. My mother's people. East and West. Akoko na ibi. Small body, big engine. One there. Where is someone? Look, I took words. All of us. All of us. I am so grateful. Say this part one. This part one. He loved. He loved you.